Hey guys, it's the real JR with Teach Me RV through Keystone RV Center. Well, that's a mouthful. We got to figure something out there. So today, a little quick tip on slide rooms. How far is the slide room going to come out from the side of my camper? Now, every slide's going to be slightly different, but I'm going to give you a tip here that'll make it easy to figure that out with any camper. You're going to go down to the dollar store, Walmart, whatever, pick up a foam pool noodle. That's roughly the size. Mark it. Okay. Then, in the safe area, you're going to take a pocket knife, cut her down. We're not going to do that on camera because OSHA does exist. Now, this isn't going to be just one-dimensional. This is going to help us out in a couple of different ways. But now you can see we have a safe gauge that is going to give us a little bit of a buffer room here on how far our slide sticks out from the side of the unit. So, what happens if you have multiple slides that aren't all the same length? Let me jump you around to the other side and show you what I do there. All right, so all we do is we make a little mark and I do what side the slide's coming out. So this is the way the slide's gonna go out. I write door side on that one. Remember the other one we had driver side on, and we also have bed slide. Now remember, it's which way it's coming out. Now, we've cut a big line down the middle of it. I bet you're gonna guess what that's for. Let's go over and show you, just in case you didn't guess. Stay tuned though, there's another tip here at the end. This is my favorite one. I tell you what, I'm working with the best looking camera guy in the entire industry. So those of you that have slides directly above storage compartments, doesn't have to be the whole length, just have to be where we hit our head at. That way we're not hitting it on the hard corners as much. Now, I promised you one more tip and trick out of this. 3 uses, $1 at the dollar store. So let's get in the truck because I brought it back here to hook up for some reason. I'm married to a beautiful, intelligent woman, okay? That being said, she will stand behind a 22-foot long truck, a 32-foot long trailer, 10 feet behind that, giving me directions into the campground, and it'll look like this. Versus like this. Plus, when I'm driving, if I get out of line and I say something stupid, she can hit me with it. And it doesn't even hurt that bad, but it gets my attention. All right, so I'm gonna show you real quick how to make sure you're setting up for the perfect triangle if you're a spotter, to make sure the driver can see you. So let me show it to you in this situation, and then you can adapt it to your own. And I'll show you one more bonus thing here at the very end for this. If you promise that you'll like and subscribe and do all the bell icons and click for notifications, comment down below for you know, how awesome my cameraman is, which is me. All right, so the triangle is gonna look something like this. I need to look into the driver's mirror and see whoever's in the driver's seat. I need to be able to see the side of the bumper that I'm on, okay, which should be easy, and the opposite side. So in this particular situation, it would look something like this. I can see straight down to the driver. I can see that corner of the bumper and this corner of the bumper. I've got everything covered. Now, I don't have the big noodle with me right now. So when we're giving directions, the way I instruct people to do it is you point which way you want the back of the trailer to go when it's in reverse. When it's going forwards, we're gonna point which way we want the nose to go, okay? This means straight. This means stop, I have to poop, okay? If the person's standing there with their hands beside them, I don't know if they're communicating with me. I don't know if they're waiting for a family bicyclist to come, whatever. The beautiful thing is everybody has a natural built-in stop, you're going to hit something. It looks something like this. Don't worry, that one will come naturally. But make sure you're doing the arms straight up in the air for straight back. That way your driver knows that you are still talking to him, you know what's going on, and you can use the hand down to the side for a slow controlled stop. Hey, I'm gonna switch sides, get a better look at something, and then come back to your triangle point. You can do that triangle point on the driver or passenger side. Again, you just need to see the mirror and see the driver in the mirror, and they can see you. Simple as that. All right, guys, comment down below, but there is another tip for this noodle. We're gonna chop it up and we'll show you one more thing. You have to buy a second noodle for this. Can't use the same noodle. All right, so I didn't actually use the noodle that we already got sized for that Sierra, but if you take foam pull noodle and put it over there, your clothes hangers will fit tighter in here and won't slide and bang around as much. If your clothes hangers are a little bit smaller, sometimes you can get this to slip over the clothes hangers and it'll do the same thing. It'll hold them in place. So that's the last and final one. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Be sure to comment down below if you haven't hit the like button already. Come on, you made it the whole way through the video. Just click it already. Thank you. And subscribe, because otherwise you won't get cool new videos like this in your timeline all the time. Have a great day, guys.